Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to update Mozilla Firefox in a Windows 10 PC. If you found this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we need to do is open up our Mozilla Firefox browser. And then from here, we want to come across and click the three horizontal lines up here in the top right hand corner. And then what we want to do is come and hover over the help option and give that a click. And then we want to click on the bottom option which says about Firefox. So from here, what's going to happen, it's going to tell you whether your Firefox browser is up to date or not. If it is up to date, obviously it's going to look like mine. It's going to have a tick and it's going to say Firefox is up to date. If it's not up to date, what's going to happen? It's going to say that there's an update available, and there's actually going to be a button here to click, which will update the Firefox browser. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more how-tos and step-by-step tutorials. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link below in the video description where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.